Are you ready?
Are you ready?
All right, what's going on YouTube? Chris and Heather here again. And for today's video, we're going to go ahead and show you guys our epic view here at the Helios Hotel, right in front of Epic Universe. So we got the day to ourselves. We were already in the park this morning. Right here about 3:45-ish, we got the keys to the room. So we're going to go ahead and show you guys the standard room here on the 6th floor, room 690 to be precise. That way, if you guys want like room preferences or whatnot, you guys know the view that you can go ahead and get.
So for those of you who don't know, Epic Universe is owned by Universal Orlando.
She felt the need to tell you guys that. So let's just go ahead and show you the room tour. All right, so once again, we're on the 6th floor, room 690. Baggage and shoes are not included. So hooking right to the right, here is a little front table. You can put all the cool stuff that you're gonna get at the park. We already have our grand opening freestyle cup. Pretty stoked to have that actually. And then here it is. If you guys don't want to skip the video, I'll go right to the view. So once again, this is on the 6th floor, room 690. This is the farthest left room that you can get. We didn't request it. This is just what we got. And here's the view. So you have the main tower there. You've got Dark Universe, Celestial Park, Mario World, the front entrance out that way, Stardust Racers, Isle of Berk, and then Harry Potter World. So tonight, we really plan on seeing the water show at night from an aerial view because we're probably not going to stay here for quite some time. So might as well take advantage of it. We'll see it up close in person next time we're at the park. As far as our Helios stay, it'll probably be best to look over here. So with that being said, let's get back to the room tour.
So while I'm hiding because Chris is recording, I was just looking at the emergency exits, and you can kind of see a diagram of each of the rooms. We're located right here, which you can see is all the way on the end. Elevators are there. But it looks like we have a little bit bigger of a room than the standard room on this floor. So that's pretty cool.
And that's pretty much just this open space right here. It's a little wider. But yeah, thank you for that. Here is the bathroom. It has your standard LED light. It's a single sink. I believe it's got extra supplies and goodies, which it does. Has the mirror for the ladies and some of you gentlemen out there. Here is the shower. It's just got the blue subway tile. I like it. Standard size toilet. So this is a sliding system shower. Basic shower head, no like fancy other stuff. And then here is a sitting stool. Here is the closet. Just enough space, has extra linen, has a lock and safe, hangers, ironing board, standard stuff. And there is an iron if you want to be dapper at Universal. And then here towards the main area, this is the 2 queens setup. They all have their own reading lights that you can turn off and on. A little tablet, you can control the TV, control the lights, and there's another cool function on here I will show you in a bit. Charging stations. They have all the USBs, all the adapters you may need. Right over here, there's a gigantic TV, not sure of the size. Coffee, if you're a coffee drinker, need that caffeine in the morning. And then Fiji water for the low price of $8 a pop. We're fancy, but I don't think we're that fancy. And then got a standard desk, chair, phone, trash can, which we've been noticing more and more places don't have trash bags in their trash cans. Just a pet peeve of ours. A little movable table and chair, and then once again, that amazing view of Epic Universe. All right, and for the cool part, I wanted to show you guys for last, is this little tablet. So right here, there's room controls. And as you can see, you can play magician over here, wave your wand, whatever you want to do. Or if you're just lazy, this how I found out. But you can go ahead and close the drapes with the click of a button. That's pretty fancy. I think we need that for the house. And you can go back to opening them because you're paying for this view. You might want to see this view. But yeah, that's about it. That's what I want to show you guys. And you can control the TV. All right, so that's going to wrap up our little video tour of our room. Once again, this is on the 6th floor, room 690, here at Grand Helios, right outside of Epic Universe. That's your backyard for the day. So what's one cool thing about the room?
This fantastic view.
Can't beat the view. That's exactly why we're staying here. That and the hour early entry that helped us out huge this morning. We knocked out Donkey Kong, Ministry of Magic.
Let's just say at 3:30, we've done everything with the exception of 3 rides.
Exactly, and so it is part of the time frame that you're here. So we're here in September, so take that for what it's worth. But I do definitely think having access to the park right there in your backyard, and then the early entry, it's a good way to split up your day. So now we're here, going to relax for a little bit, go back out, see everything that we want to at night. There's some cool stuff here at night that we look forward to seeing, and then we're going to enjoy a nice dinner out there at the park as well. So we're here to recharge, show you guys the room, and then yeah. So one thing I will say is this is a hell of a walk. So if you have a lot of luggage or whatnot, they will help you out. But if you like to carry your own stuff, this was a walk up from the elevator. So keep in mind, you're at the farthest wing of the building.
I just counted, we walked 30 plus rooms from the elevator down to our room.
If you're handicapped or whatnot, have a lot of luggage, keep that in mind. But once again, this is a pretty good view. Gives you a little wide angle view of everything. So other than that, hopefully you guys got some type of good information from this. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. So see ya. Here is our night view of Epic Universe. Just as crazy as I thought it would have been. Looks super dope.